If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select all to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting question. So the question is you need to return a list of states where customers have an average monthly sales value that is consistently greater than $100. That means you have a table name orders, and order you have multiple columns: order ID, which is the primary key, customer ID, order date, amount, and state. So you have the data. So each state has a multiple customers, and each customer has multiple orders on multiple dates and has multiple amounts. So what you need to find is you need to find you need to return the list of states where customers have an average monthly sales value that is consistently greater than $100. That means all the customers in that state should have a monthly average sale greater than 100. So example, if you see here for TX, you have a customer ID 1001, and for 1001 in January, if you see the average, here it is 100, 150, 250 plus 75, 325 divided by 3. 325 divided by 3 is more than 100. And similarly, for 1001 customer ID in month of 2 February, it is 100, and in month of 3 March, it is 100. And for customer 2002, for February, it is 150 plus 75, which is 225 divided by 2, which is also greater than 100. And similarly, for 3003, for Jan, it is 100. And for so what you need to do is for every state, every customer, you need to find the monthly average. So first, select state, comma, uh, customer ID. So I hope you all understood the question. So basically, you need to return the state where all the customers have a monthly average greater than 100. So to get that, first we need to calculate the monthly average. Month of order date as M order date. I'll rename this column as M order date. And to find the average, we use this average function, average of amount as average amount from orders. Group by these three columns: state, customer ID, and month of order date. And if I run this, what are we getting? So we are getting each state, each customer, and then each month what is the average amount. So for Texas TX, each customer, you have 1001, and these are the 3 months, and it's always greater than or equal to 100. And for 2002, for this month data is there, and it's always also greater than 100. But for IA, if you see, this customer is having a monthly average is greater than or equal to 100, which is correct. But for this particular customer, this particular month, May month average is less than 75. So IA should not be written, only TX should be written. So hope you all understood the question, right? So now with this data, what will we do? We need From this data we need to return only TX, because only TX has the average amount greater than 100. So now what will we do? So we'll keep this in CTE with CTE as. I'll close. So select now state. Only state I have to return from CTE. Okay, so I'll write what will we do. So it to return all the only the states. So we need to calculate the minimum average amount. So for each state, what is the minimum average amount? Okay, so if the minimum average amount is greater than 100, that means that state should be written. Otherwise, that state should not be written. Having minimum of average amount greater than or equal to 100. Since this is an aggregate function, we need to apply this aggregate function filtering using having condition. Okay, and now if I run this, you are returning tx is getting written because that is the output we want. And I'll remove this because I want only return the state. So this is the simple query. and simple question, and this one you need to understand how to use the CTEs and how to use the group by columns properly. So first we need to group by the data at state, customer ID and month for the and take the average. And based on this data, you need to see for every state what is the minimum average amount. If the minimum average amount is greater than 100, you need to return that state. So hope you all understand this question. If you like the content, please click on the like button so that YouTube will understand that you are enjoying the content, and also click on subscribe button uh, for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.